Hello. Good evening, good evening, good evening. We are about to eat. We are about to eat.
Good evening. The suya is ready. We are about to eat the suya.
Everything is ready.
If you know you are want to eat the toss, you can come to the back. You are eating the suya now. You can come and join us and eat the suya.
Sure. Come and eat, oh, come and join me, come and eat.
Come and enjoy the suya with us. You are eating. If you are talking about this morning, come and join the suya with us. This is what we are preparing this morning. May God bless you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you. Vamos a This is suya we are talking about this morning. We already prepared it and we are eating it now. If you know you want to be part of us, you can come and eat with us. May God bless you all as we are washing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let me wave you back. Thank you for watching. May God bless you all. This is suya we are talking about this morning. We finished preparing the suya. You can see it very well. May God bless you all as you are watching. If you know you can come and enjoy with us, you are very free. May God bless you. The suya is very, very, very delicious. I hope all the people that watch me this afternoon were with me now to come and consume it with me. May God bless you all. Thank you very much. You people can share. If you are there with us, share so that other people can see the suya that we were watching this morning. We tell you people that when we were cutting, you were there with us. When we were missing it, you were there with us. Only what really happened that you were not there when we were making the suya pepper. By Thursday, by God's grace, we'll be coming out to come and make the suya pepper for you people to see. May God bless you all as you are watching. Please share the video so that the people that watch us in the morning, in the afternoon when we are cutting the meat, so they can see the suya. They can see the suya that we are consuming the suya now. If maybe people that watch me this afternoon can come here and consume the suya with us, could have been a better thing. I know people are in far place that you are consuming, so you are still looking at us now. You are enjoying it with us. We just sit down as a family and eat it together. May God bless you all. We don't want the kids to be shown in social media or in a platform. That is why we just did it. Only my wife sits in the front of the camera. Even myself, I'm not in the camera. May God bless you all as you are watching. Thank you very much for watching us. Please, if you are there with us, share the video so that other people will see it. May God bless you all. It's a very, very good and delicious suya. Read Nigeria taste. Read suya and read suya Nigeria taste. 100%, just like the one you buy from Aboki, from Mala people. This is the type of suya we are consuming. And may God bless you all. Please share, and so that other people will see it. May God bless you all, and may God bless everybody that is going to watch. May God bless everybody that is going to watch this video later. May God bless everybody that is going to share this video. Thank you very much. We appreciate you and we appreciate everybody that is going to watch. Thank you very much. We appreciate you and we appreciate you a lot for following us since morning, since afternoon. We started this together and we are going to eat it together. We are eating it together now. May God bless you all. Thank you very much. We'll be coming out with other style again. We'll be doing egg roll, meat pie, fish pie, mai, buns, chin chin, and so on and so forth. You will see all type of kitchen family. That is what we want to call this program. Anytime we want to do something, we'll call you, let people see to it so they can know how to do it. The one we know, the one we don't know, we still look from other place to come and show you people. May God bless you. We don't know, we are not the one that, we are not the best, but we are trying. May God bless you. We are not the type that insult people. We are not the type that jealous people. We are not the type. We are the type that want to learn. This is what social media is made of. Please, thank you very much. May God bless you. I wish you happy weekend. May God bless you. I know today is Sunday. By tomorrow morning, everybody will be going to his place of work. The children will be going to school. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Very soon, we will off the screen so that the children will go to their rooms and go to bed. By tomorrow morning, they'll be going to school. May God bless you. Thank you very much. We just want people to see how we consume the meat, how we consume the sugar. You did not see my own. I just want to eat my own in a secret place. May God bless you and thank you very much. We appreciate you all that follow us this afternoon to this time, and we will continue to tell you thank you, and we'll continue to tell you blessings. May God bless you all. Keep on following us. Keep on watching. Keep on watching my YouTube. My YouTube is rich. My YouTube is People's TV Show. You can go there and look all the video that we have been doing, all the video that my wife is been doing, all the place you want people to come and learn how to make hair. Different type of program. You see different type on my video on my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel and follow me and follow my wife. Everything that we are doing is in the YouTube channel. Even this suya we make for my birthday, you can still see it on my YouTube channel. Just go to my YouTube channel, reach People's TV Show. You will see all the work I've been doing, all my erosion work and every work I've been doing. All the things are in my YouTube channel. You can go to page and follow my page. If you want to sell anything or you want to buy anything, you can go to my page. Good Nigeria, you can go to that place and see to my page so that you can put your, if you want to sell anything, you can place it on my page. I don't take anything from you people. My page is free, it's open for everybody. Please promote me, promote my YouTube, promote my page, promote my Facebook, so that you are my family, you are my brother. I want your support. That is why I'm here with you people. Please go to my page. If you want to sell anything, you want to sell your car, you want to sell your house, you want to sell your phone, you want to sell your television, you want to sell your clothes, anything you want to do, just go to my page. Just click on Good Nigeria. You see me there. You see my picture. You see everything about me. Put your phone that you want to sell. Put your television, put your radio, put your house. My page is open. I don't take anything from you. I open the page because of you and me. I want you people to promote me and promote my page, promote everything about me. Please go to my YouTube channel, follow me, go and watch my videos so that YouTube will recognize me and so that my page will become a very big page. That if you people patronize me, we are brothers and sisters. I don't take anything from you. If people are selling, if you sell in page, you give them their percentage. I don't take any percentage from you. Please try and promote my page. May God bless you. Try and promote my page. Don't let them see you. Try and promote my page. May God bless you. See the sugar. This is what we started in the morning, in the afternoon. Now we are consuming it. I'm sorry you people cannot come here and consume this with us. May God bless you. I love you all, and I want to tell you this evening, thank you very much for watching. My page is open for people to sell anything you want to sell. My YouTube is open for people. to watch anything that I'm doing. Even all the work my wife is doing ever since, all if you go to my YouTube channel, you will see everything about her. May God bless you. Thank you very much. My wife want to talk to you people. I am
don't want
to
to
say may
say
God bless
anything
you.
again. God bless you all. Bye. Ciao. Good night. I'm going to work tomorrow. Bye bye. Ciao. Come and issue ya tomorrow, eh?